We're in Victoria, British Columbia, going to Goldstream Park. Out here, people do things a little differently. They don't have white picket fences, they have ski fences. This is recycling and reusing. Let's go. Surprised nobody's stolen them.
How do you get them these skis? Is there even a ski hill in? You're putting this. Limited vision.
Children,
local traffic only.
Siri is either taking us on a shortcut or has played a trick on us. This is a narrow one-lane.
It says local traffic only.
Whoa.
Oh my god.
Whoa, whoa. Have you ever seen a 45-degree road?
I don't know if we're supposed to be on this road.
Are you sure this is what Siri said to do?
This is what the GPS says.
Look at the sign. Yeah. Apparently there are arrow-headed snakes out here. Be careful. Very dangerous, indigenous to Victoria. I may have to put the GoPro on the roof of the car.
No. You hear that noise? Is that a bird or a car?
That is our brakes slightly overheating.
Siri, Daddy,
You can't even turn around.
Do you even have the right place on your
I would
Car, there's a car, there's another car.
pull over.
I'm not pulling over for anybody in here. That's how horror movies start.
This is where we're supposed to be going.
Okay, we're on the right track. It looked like it avoided the traffic in Langford and took us through the
Instead of going
forest.
through there, we went all the way around through here.
Wow, that's definitely the scenic route. Okay, well, it's so scenic, I'm putting the GoPro on the roof of the car.
How was this guy?
Right there. That's better. All right, people, let's roll. We survived the trek. I just want to show you this sign. Two-way traffic, one-lane road. Figure it out, people. We're here. I'm gonna go check it out for the levels of magicness. Oh, my goodness. Levels of magic rising. This is quite beautiful. Oh! 10 on 10 magic, boom! The Goldstream stream is already home to treasure. Look at this.
Salmon.
We'll actually be able to get a better view when we see it after. And this thing, what is this? See this, you know, when you go flat. Okay, we're gonna see what that was when we get back to the computer. That was totally cool. Look at the size of these trees. Look at this one. God, you look crazy.
I've been living here for 13 years. Do you have any food or money?
Let's go.
What do you think of that tree?
I like it.
Ah, let me out. Oh gosh, it's like being given birth to.
Oh my goodness.
Oh, Marion, someone dirtied my jeans. How big are the trees in Victoria? Pretty darn big. Ow, I hurt my back on that one. This place is incredible. That tree is enormous. I don't know if we have any other ones that we can see. This one's pretty big. And look at this thing. Look how big this is. This is a huge... Oh God! Look, little baby. Only about 50% of bald eagle fledglings will survive their first year. That one didn't survive his first year. We are at the Goldstream
Nature House.
My middle name is
Someone's talking. Get up here. Sorry, what were you saying? Goldstream Nature House?
Yeah, in Victoria, BC.
And this is where the salmon spawn.
Yeah, every October, November, and December. Late October.
And there's never any fishing here.
Never.
Let's go. Let's walk, people. We don't always hike, but when we do, it's very difficult. Oh. We've made it to the waterfalls. Huh. Where does the water go? Guys, where does the water go? This is incredible. But where does the water go? Could you go stand on that rock so we can get some perspective as to size? That waterfall's like 150 feet high. This is incredible. But where does it go? Yeah, but look, it disappears here. This is incredible. No salmon are spawning up that's for sure. I'll tell you what. I'm going in. Okay. Well, I'm not going in naked. I'll just in my brand new pair of Tommy John underwear. Is this the one with the hole in the back?
No, no pull.
Okay. Everyone's shoes are off? Just look for leeches. Okay, cool. Holy cows, this is amazing. You want me out of your picture? Hold on, get one with me and then one without. Okay, I'm out. Do you mind being in a vlog?
Oh, no problem.
Do you mind being interviewed by a man in Tommy John underwear? You're gonna play football in university?
Yeah, I'm playing for UC Dinos.
Who?
UC Dinos, the University of Calgary.
So it'll like for the last several years, it's been the Dinos versus Laval. I mean,
really?
Those are the two best
I went to Laval University in Quebec.
Okay,
those
well,
are
Laval
the
beat
teams
UC
in Canada.
the national championship last year. So.
Cool. Good luck.
Thank you very much.
Those hands. Those are the hands of a quarterback. Okay, awesome. Thanks. So we're in a canyon. The river is not flowing right now, but we've gotten to a waterfall with a huge hole. I know, hold on 1 second. With a huge hole. There is no outward access of the water. The water from here goes underground, and there seem to be minnows here. So we're gonna see what the minnows are. Where do you see one?
There.
Show me. Where, under the rock? Okay. We're gonna find out when we get home what kind of fish these are. Staring right at the camera, and he's off. We're gonna see what kind of fish those are when we get back to the computer. Incredible. Where do you see it? And yeah, hold on 1 second. And more amazing than that, look at this amazingly deep pool. We've attached the GoPro to a fishing rod. We're going to see just how deep this hole is. Okay. Check this slug out, people. Everyone hold on to the cliff. Look at the size of that slug.
It's a banana slug.
Look at that. That's a solid 6 inches. What's on his butt?
Oh, I thought that was his head.
What's your problem?
That's a banana slug.
Yeah, okay, I think we're having a meltdown.